Well, hello there, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine. So guys, I'm so glad to have you in the studio today. Today we're going to be doing something pretty simple. It's going to be something that's going to make you want to eat it, but don't eat it, okay? So listen, guys, before I get into everything that we're going to not eat, I want to talk to you about what I do during the week. So during the week, I do one-on-one coaching sessions with candle makers just like you. It could be beginning, it could be advanced. You know, guys, when I started this out, I really made so many mistakes, and I feel like I made all my mistakes just to pave the way for y'all. Because I really help people during the week with their wicking. It's people who have, you know, just came into the industry, and maybe you just can't even decide on which wax to go with. So before you go and order 9 waxes to test and say, oh, I like this, oh, I like this, oh, I don't like that, I don't like that, oh my God, this wax is horrible, all these bubbles, all these sinkholes. Before you do all of that, you come to me so we can talk and I can give you an idea of what you're looking for, tell you, but get you all the way right. That's what I do. That's what I do in those coaching sessions. So they're one-on-one, and I do them during the week. Guys, listen, the schedule has really been getting... It's been getting packed, and I like that because I like to see new faces and things like that. So if you do see a spot, you know, don't delay. You know, get that spot, because you may not be able to get a spot till like next week, or, you know, maybe a couple days from then or whatever. So you need to just make sure you make a move when you see it. I'll put that down in the description box, but we go over different things like labels, websites, branding. You know, it just might just be a whole session where I teach you how to wick your candles. You know, nobody is out here teaching how to wick candles. I mean, I've not, besides Mr. Jeff Stanley, I've not seen too many people, you know. There's a few, but, you know, I just really don't know of them. When I go in candle groups and I see people with like 9 and 10 candles set up, and they're just testing all of these different wicks, I know that they're not being taught properly, because it don't take all of that. You know what I'm saying? If you really know how to use the wick guide, you should either be going up a size, or you should even be going down a size. And you should really just, honestly, if you know how to use the wick guide, I know how many wicks, like I know if my candle is burning like this, I know exactly how many sizes to go up, and that's how I teach you guys. So with the labels, with the logos, with the, you know, the photos, all of that kind of stuff, guys, there's some good stuff that's about to happen with Diamond Shine University. Yes, I'm naming it Diamond Shine University. I'm putting this up on my website because I began revamping my website, rebranding everything. So I decided to do a university. So what's all inside this university? So in this university, I'm going to be doing things like teaching you guys how to use Canva, teach you guys how to make and create a logo in Canva and things like that. And then little stuff that I'm not going to put on my YouTube channel, I'm going to go ahead and put it on Diamond Shine University. So I'm working on it now, guys, and as I begin to develop it, of course, I'll post it on this channel and also in the Facebook group. If you're not joining the Facebook group, make sure you do that. All right, so listen, what we're going to do is we're going to make a honeycomb, me want honeycomb candle, honeycomb, me want honeycomb. All right, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make a honeycomb candle, guys. Like I told you before, a lot of these molds I'm not recommending you going to buy. I have a honeycomb mold that I made. So guys, you could just pretty much just make this mold yourself at home. You just need to get the silicone, the what is it, the cornstarch or something like that. I got a video, I'll link it in there. I ain't about to lead you down the wrong way. You just can make it yourself. So this is just pretty simple. Pour, put the embeds in, but of course, guys, I want to make sure I keep you guys up to date. So let's go ahead in the studio and get started. Okay, we about to get started up in here. All right, honeycomb, me want honeycomb. All right, so what you want to do is you can go and take your wax. This is what I'm going to do. Like I showed you guys in the last video, I just pretty much just pour my wax in here, and I move really quick. You can do it the other way with the heat gun, but like I said, I don't like to mess with my hot glue, so this is just the way that I like to do it. But you guys are more than welcome to use the heat gun and do it that way. Okay, there's no wrong way to eat a Reese's, if you want to put it that way. Alright, so I'm just going to move it all around. I want to place as many as possible as I can. I want to cover up the top completely. So if I could push these over to the middle, That would be nice, but it's not gonna let me, so I'm just gonna try to get it in there. I love these honeycombs. They are so cute, so cool. Okay. And I'm probably gonna have to hit it with the heat gun, the top of it, just to get it to shine a little bit more. I wanna move this one around. Okay, it allowed me to, thank you. Okay, so these honeycombs is kind of poking through, and I'm trying to fix this arrangement. I really don't like it the way it's arranged. But I got it. Okay, so I moved that one over. So this is my lovely honeycomb. Me want honeycomb, okay? I don't know if you want honeycomb, but I allowed the milk to kind of move around on it. I don't know why I ain't been trimmed these wicks. So I did give it like a little drip, like the milk. I gave the milk like a little drip. Okay, so Mr. Honeycomb is finished, guys, and once it's done, you're gonna begin to see like how much detail it's gonna have with the milk, and I really love that part about it. But what you want to do is you want to take the heat gun and just zap it a little bit, just to give it a little shine. You're not really heating it up, guys. I don't want you to think you're heating it up, but you're just kind of giving it a little shine, and that's it. It looks good. I like it. I actually like it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss the next videos we have coming up on the channel. Alright, so far on this one video, we got this honeycomb done, and the one before that, we got this frosted mini wheat done. I decided to break these videos down because I wanted to be able to keep you guys' attention, and I love it that way. So go ahead, guys. Get ready. Put your boots on. We get ready to walk on over to the next video. Alright.